Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed. Thank you very much for your question, Catherine. And that question was, I need to retrospectively apply a liquid DPM to a concrete balcony deck which has screed and paving installed. Can the liquid DPM be applied to the screed, or does it need to be applied to the concrete base? That's a very good question. Certainly what you can do is apply it directly to the screed. So in the original process you could have applied it to the concrete base and then put the screed on top, or basically put the screed on top and then put the liquid DPM down. So I think it's just checking that the liquid DPM that you're looking at is sufficient for the relative humidity of the screed that you're putting it on. What you'll find is that different liquid DPMs perform at different RHs, so it's just making sure that it's going to be adequate to cover that. With it being a balcony, its relative humidity is likely to be quite high, so it's just checking definitely on that. Another vital thing would be all about the preparation to put the liquid DPM down. So you're looking at, obviously it's got to get a key into the screed, so that means that it needs to be free from contaminants, dirt, dust, etc. With it being a screed, it may not need some surface preparation, some grinding, but if there has been some adhesive, etc., that's on the surface, it may need some mechanical preparation. It's just making it ready to receive the liquid DPM, so you get a good bond, and so it doesn't sort of end up delaminating from there. So so long as you do that, it should be fairly straightforward. So a typical liquid DPM, 2-part epoxy resin, just making sure that the relative humidity capabilities of the liquid DPM actually match your individual circumstances. Sometimes if you're looking at the RH and it's in the higher figures, then it's sometimes recommended for a 2-coat liquid DPM system. So that's just to ensure that the system works. So that might be just something just to watch out for. If you need any other further help or assistance, we'd be glad to help you with this. Thank you very much, Catherine.